What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are at Universal Studios to do a final construction update of Halloween Horror Nights 2021. Ooh. So, very excited. It's happening this year. After a year of it not happening, I know you guys already know this, but it's just exciting that in a week and a half, Halloween Horror Nights will be opening up its gates, and we're going to be getting spooky, going through some mazes. So today, we just kind of want to check up and see how the construction's doing. This isn't really like a video for information about tips and tricks and stuff. This is more just, we want to see. Yeah. As of what it seems right now, Halloween Horror Nights has completely announced its lineup. We were hoping that there was going to be some sort of announcement of Beetlejuice because Orlando's doing it, but it doesn't seem to be happening this year, which is sad. And I was like, oh, maybe if we take the camera and go to Universal Studios, we can maybe see like an extra maze somewhere, but I don't think we're going to.
Probably not.
So let's just go and check out the rest of the mazes, and let's have a good day at Universal Studios. All right, let's go. And already, before we even enter the park, there are signs of Halloween Horror Nights. So it says, we are in the process of dressing our park for Halloween Horror Nights. During your visit, please be aware that you may see graphic props and sets from horror films. Yes, that's exactly what we want. We are in, and I think we're gonna look at the Halloween 4 maze that's in the Waterworld queue, because it's just right here. Let's go check that out. Looks like they have the stands up. That's gonna have the sign for the maze and the wait time. So this will say Halloween 4. Ooh, look at that up there. They have the lighting up. They got some strobe lights, different colored lights to set the mood for Halloween Horror Nights. It's gonna be all spooky right here. So we're heading through the Waterworld queue, and this is the facade for Halloween 4. And this is a pretty similar looking facade to the one that we saw back in 2018. This is the service garage that Michael Myers decides to kill the mechanic, steal his jumpsuit, you know, typical Michael Myers shit. You can kind of get a little look in there. Now I do wonder, is this going to be similar to the 2018 version, or are they going to add a few things? Because I did enjoy the 2018 version. I just hope that maybe we can add a couple more stuff, keep it nice and fresh, but if not, it's not the end of the world. I'm just happy that they tackle Halloween properties during Halloween Horror Nights. It's a great franchise. And here is Demon City Scare Zone. Look at this. Looking appropriately gruesome. And it looks like the flamethrower stuff is gonna come back. It's gonna shoot out from here. Let's get a closer look over here at these props. Pretty freaky stuff. Look there, happy Halloween, guys. It's here, we made it. Oh man. And I like how they dressed up this area to have little devils and demons. Silhouettes. Having a cocktail. Doesn't this look like the demon design from This Is the End maze? Could be totally off, but looks like it. One other thing that was confirmed was the Walking Dead maze, which I am meh about. You know, we'll see what they do this year, if they change it up or if it's going to be the same thing, but I don't know. I'm kind of Walking Dead fatigued at this point. So this is where the Walking Dead entrance is going to be, I'm assuming, because this is where the original entrance was. But I'm not seeing any signage or anything that kind of indicates that it's here. But more than likely it's going to be here. Only time will tell, though. Right next to Mel's Diner is the facade for The Bride of Frankenstein Lives. And I'm very excited about this one because John Murdy, the creator of this maze, or the creative director of Halloween Horror Nights overall, did an in-depth look inside this maze at Midsummer Scream. And if you guys want to check out that video, I'll put it in the description down below. But we basically got a full tour of what this maze is going to have, and let me tell you, it's going to be exciting. And we've also had confirmation that Slash is composing music, and it's going to be playing out here while we're waiting in line. And that is, it was fantastic. We got a little like 2-minute preview of the music, and it was awesome. Let's see, we can get a little close look in there. It says prologue, something survived. This is gonna be so good. Universal Studios always does a good job whenever it comes to tackling the classic Universal Monster property, because it's their baby. Looks like we're gonna be exiting out of the Bride of Frankenstein Lives here, and immediately we're gonna be going into a scare zone called the Silver Screen Queens. And it's all the classic Universal monsters, but with a feminine twist, they're all female. And we have already got confirmation that these boxes right here with the screen is going to be playing trailers, most likely. And we got a sneak preview of some of these trailers at Midsummer Scream. Check this out, what we got? Dracula's Daughter. I love the 1920s, 30s posters. The design is incredible. Let's check out this one. The She-Wolf of London. So we can expect to see all of these monsters that are on the posters running around here scaring you. This one for sure has the potential to be the scariest. I mean, look at that. Ugh. Another exciting piece of information is that the Wizarding World of Harry Potter will be open for Halloween Horror Nights. It usually never is, but it will be this year. Now, I don't think that they're going to be dressing this up in a Halloween theme at all. Wouldn't it be exciting if they made this like the dark arts section? I would even love a Harry Potter maze. Yeah, I think it could happen. Harry Potter is dark, man. Now we're at the upper lot looking down to the lower lot behind the Mummy Queue. And this is, I believe, going to be the Texas Chainsaw Massacre maze. The only reason why I say that is because I do see quite a few of, there's some like forest elements right here. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera. Over there is the farmhouse facade, so you guys are going to have to go around the Mummy building to go on, and then we exit out here. So begs the question, where is the Exorcist maze going to be? I've heard rumors that it's going to be in the stage right over there behind the Transformers area. That is where the Stranger Things 1 and 2 maze have been, so they might utilize that space for the Exorcist. And since we're here, might as well take a look at the Super Nintendo World construction. It's moving very fast, I feel like. I am so ready. And last but not least, we are at the Curious George parking lot, and we're checking out the final 2 mazes that there is to see. Over here is the Haunting on Hill House. Everything is ready to go. They've got the fences up to set up the line. They've got the lighting over there ready to go. All right, and then over here, same thing. Everything looks done for the Curse of Pandora's Box. Can't really see the facade. You can only see a glimpse of it. Oh, I'm so ready. And it's interesting because, so I can't tell where you're gonna exit out of the maze over here. I'm assuming on the other side of this tent. I'm not sure. But over here, there's 2 possibilities. You can exit out of this area, or I also see another exit point over there. But I feel like it's gonna be over here because it would just be too chaotic trying to have an entrance and an exit with all the lines. But we'll see. So that does it for us here for the final construction update of Halloween Horror Nights. I am super excited. It is only a week and a half away. Time flew by like that.
It's coming up.
What are you most excited for?
I always like their Universal monsters, so I'm gonna go with the Bride of Frankenstein Lives.
Yeah, and again, like we've been telling you in this video, we do have kind of like a spoiler walkthrough experience that John Murdy did for us at Midsummer Scream. So if you guys want to kind of ruin it for yourselves and check that out, I'll put that video down below. That one's gonna be incredible. But overall, I think everything is gonna be great. I'm excited.
It's gonna be a good time.
So thank you guys very much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you guys haven't. I post a video every Tuesday, and starting next week we're going to be doing a lot of the horror events. We're going to be covering them all. Knott's Scary Farm, Howl-O-Scream, Halloween Horror Nights. We're going to even be doing a couple small stuff. So let's do it.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys.